Hello everyone. Today is Friday. Today is a Lego day. First, let's congratulate our last week winner who will receive this decor set of FIFA World Cup 2026 official emblem. As I said last Friday, we're gonna build together a couple of sets of Lego Editions collection. So for today, we're gonna build 2026 US Soccer National Team jersey. You may notice here, this set is also for soccer lovers, especially for US soccer teams fans. The set number is 43033 and it's recommended for ages 10 and up. So let's open it and start building. So we have here 2 bags of Lego pieces, a sheet of stickers, and one instruction manual. So we're done with another collectible set for soccer fans. It's 2026 US Soccer National Team jersey set. I really enjoyed building this framed version of US soccer team's jersey set and discovering all of the cool details. The set includes lots of printed elements and a large sticker sheet of numbers so you can decorate the jersey with a number of your choice from 0 to 99. I put 26. There are also two Lego soccer minifigures, one wearing US team's stripes kit, while the other one wears the team's star kit. Both figures come with head and hair options to customize, whether you cheer on the US women's national team or the US men's national team, so you can show your support for both of the US national team. The US soccer jersey set makes a great gift idea for boys, girls, and sport fans, so they can bring sporting spirit to any bedroom or office by proudly displaying it as a sport-inspired decor. And of course, this set is also for a giveaway. You can find all the giveaway details and rules in the video description, managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.